Hello students, welcome back to our channel KCYC. In this video we will be continuing with your algebra ka third chapter, that is arithmetic progression, and we will be doing with your exercise 3.2. So chalo today bachcha log we will start with your exercise 3.2. If we check with the exercise 3.2 uska start mein, this is exercise 3.2 ka, there are totally 4 activities. If you check same exactly यही स्टाइल में आपको 4 एक्टिविटीज है. आई विल डू द फर्स्ट एक्टिविटी एंड बाकी का तीनों एक्टिविटीज यू कैन डू बिकॉज वी डिड विथ योर प्रीवियस एक्सरसाइज. नाउ चेक बच्चा लोग, द सीक्वेंस इज 1 8 15 22. नाउ व्हाट इज a? यहां पे चेक करो करके बोलो व्हाट इज a? दैट इज 1. व्हाट इज t1? t1 इज आल्सो 1. व्हाट इज t2? t2 इज 8. and what is t3? t3 is equal to 50. That's simple. t2 minus t1, this is t2 minus t1, so you get over 8 minus 1, this is equal to 7. Over here t3 minus t2, t3 minus this is 15 minus 8, and this is equal to 7, and that's all. Therefore this is equal to 7. This is very easy, so everybody can do बच्चा लोग the second, the third and the fourth. I hope everybody can do it on your own. Now exactly we start with your chapter. अभी क्या हो जाएगा, suppose देखो यहाँ पे ये आपको first term दिया, ये example लेते हैं. Now check everybody. This is your first term, this is your second term, this is your third term, this is your fourth term. Tell me इसका 25th term जो है ना, 25th term क्या रहेगा? इसका 25th टर्म क्या? आगे ना रिपीट, आपको फर्स्ट टर्म बताया, सेकंड टर्म बताया, थर्ड टर्म बताया, फोर्थ टर्म बताया, 4 टर्म बताया. अभी बोलेगा जो 25th टर्म है उसका, तो व्हाट इज योर 25th टर्म? तो यू गॉट अ फॉर्मूला जो याद रखने का, दैट इज tn इज इक्वल टू a प्लस n माइनस 1 इनटू d. तो दिस इज योर फॉर्मूला which everybody has to go. If you can do with this formula, then you can do with the exercise 3.2. Again I repeat, tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. n मतलब आपको कौन सा टर्म चाहिए था? that is 20th टर्म. तो t20 यहाँ पे लिखने का. a बोलेगा तो यह फर्स्ट टर्म, that is 1. What is n? that is 20 minus 1, और डिफरेंस क्या चल रहा है बच्चा? 7. and if you do this calculation, then you will get your 20th term. So everybody you have to remember your first formula, this one, that is tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Now check with your sum number 2. Now क्या बोला है sum number 2 पे? स्क्रीन पे चेक करो. Decide whether following sequence is in AP. If so, then you have to tell me find the 20th term of the progression. पहले डिसाइड करने का whether वो AP में है या नहीं है. अगर AP में है, then you have to tell what is the 20th term. Now check everybody with your question. This is your sum number 2. You get a sequence that is minus 12, minus 15, 2, 9, 16. This is 23. This is what you get over 30. Now orally पहले चेक करो, it is said this is minus 7, ये minus करेगा 7, 7, 7, okay. तो we say this is where t1 is equal to minus 12, t2 is equal to minus 15, this is t3 is equal to 2, t4 is equal to 9, t5 is equal to 16, t6 is equal to 23 and t7 is equal to 30. अभी स्टार्ट से करते बच्चों लोग, एवरीबॉडी दिस इज t1 is equal to minus 12, बराबर है. t1 is equal to minus 12, और चलो what we do over here, इसको रहने दो. we'll go with this one, that is यहाँ से शुरू करते हैं. we say t7 minus t6. I start from here, that is equal to 30 minus 23, that is equal to 7. then again over here t6 minus t5, that is equal to 23 minus 16, that is again 7. then we'll do t5 minus t4, that is equal to 16 minus 9, that is equal to 7. then you get t4 minus t3, that is equal to 9 minus 2, that is equal to 7. सब करना है बच्चा लोग, because sometimes क्या हो जाएगा, एक कोई तो मैच नहीं हो जाएगा आपका. तो we say this is t3 minus t2, that is equal to, that is t3, this is over 2 minus of what you get over बच्चा लोग, this is t3 minus t2. we'll just check whether question में, yeah, what you get over, that is t3. This is not 50, this is 5. this is minus 5, minus of minus, this is 7, and we get T2 minus T1, that is equal to minus 5. What do you get? A minus of minus 12, and check 7, 7, 7, 7, 7. And since we can say over here, what you can say, bacha, the difference, yesterday we did this, the difference between two consecutive terms is, what is that, bacha? Constant. Therefore, it is an, क्या लिखेगा बच्चा लोग, AP, where you can say that is your common difference, please pay attention, your common difference, that is D, is equal to 7. Now what have they asked? They have asked the 20th term. So we say over here that is for T20. This is what they asked. So you say this is N is equal to 20. D just now we got over here, that is equal to 7. Okay? So what do you get over here? And A, that is your first term. What is your first term? E. This is minus 12. Always yaad rakhna, this is and. A and D. Always remember this is your and A and D. That is you require A. That is your first term. कितवा term निकालने का, that is what you require, and you require the common difference. हो गया. Use your formula, that is Tn is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. This is T20. A is your minus 12 plus N 20 minus 1. D is 7. This is minus 12. What do you get over here? This is plus 19 into 7. This is minus 12. Do over here, that is 19 into 7. 7 9s are 63. 7 1s are 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and this is 13. So this is 133. And bachalo, do your calculation and check कि 20th term क्या है, that is 133 minus, what do you get over here, that is 12, and you get your answer, that is 121. मतलब ये जो सीरीज है, ये फर्स्ट टर्म दिया, सेकंड टर्म दिया, थर्ड दिया, फोर्थ दिया, फिफ्थ, सिक्स्थ, सेवन टर्म रहता है, मतलब 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20th, उसका 20th टर्म जो है ना, that is 121. Now बच्चों लोग check with your sum number 3, 4, 5. We'll do 3, 4, 5 तीनों भी एक साथ करते हैं because it's very simple. Same sequence दिया हुआ है. They said it is in AP and you have to find the nth term. चलो check everybody with sum number 3. Given arithmetic progression, that is see sum number 3. They are given over here. This is 12, 16, 20. You should write over there since 12, 20. What do you get over there? 12. You get over. This is the second one they are given. That is 16. 20, 24 are in, what is that बच्चा? AP. ये लिखना है आपको एग्जाम में. They are in AP. Therefore we can say that is A is equal. What is A बच्चा? That is 12. D कोई भी टर्म लो माइनस करो, whichever you want. That is 16 minus 12. That is equal to, what you can say over here, that is 4. चेक बच्चा लोग क्या पूछा है सम नंबर 3 में. Find the 24th term. So we need to find, that is T 24. So we say this is N is equal to 24. Use your formula, that is Tn is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. This is T24. A, what do you get over? This is 12 plus 24 minus 1. D क्या चल रहा है बच्चा? 4. This is 12 plus this is 23 into 4. This is 12. This is 4 3s are 12. Carried 1. 4 2s are 8 and 1 9. This is you get over here. हो गया बच्चा. The 24th term is equal to 104. Now check with your sum number 4. Same है, practice के लिए हो जाएगा. Find the 19th term of the following AP. So again you write over here, that is since 7, check, 13, check, 19 and 25 are in. You have to again I say repeat this. Are in AP. So therefore you say A is equal to 7, D is equal to 19 minus 13, that is equal to 6. We need to find out the 19th term. So you say this is N is equal to क्या हो जाएगा बच्चा? 90. Now go with your formula, that is since Tn is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. This is T19. A क्या चल रहा है? 7 plus this is 19 minus 1 into D. This is 7. This is 18 into 6. 18 6 what do you get? 8 6 are 48. 6 1 are 6. And this is 108. And you get over that is T90 is equal to how much बच्चा? That is 150. मतलब ये सीरीज जो है ना बच्चा 4 टर्म्स दिया है. इसका जो 19th टर्म है ना वो ये है. ये सीरीज में भी 4 टर्म दिया था. इसका 24th टर्म is 104. Now check with your sum number 5. Same है वापस. The series is 9. We get over 4 minus 1 minus 6 minus 11 are in the same. That is what is that bacha? AB. Very good. A is equal to 9. D is equal to, I'll go with this positive, easy है ना? 4 minus 9, that is minus 5. You have to find, check करो कौन सा term find out करना है बच्चा? You have to find the 27th term. So this is T27. So you get an N is equal to 27. बच्चा समझ रहे हैं? What happens over here? देखो 1 2 3 4 5 टर्म दे, only 5 terms are given. अगर आपको वो 27 बोलेगा तो आप लोग उंगली पे अगर गिनने चालू करोगे, if you count on your fingers, it will take a lot of time for you. So they go with this formula. Within a minute, you will get your answer. So we say this is over Tn is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. This is T27. A is how much bacha? 9. This is 27 minus 1 into minus 5. This is 9. This is 26 into minus 5. This is 9 plus into minus is minus 5 6 are 30. 0 3 carried. 5 2s are 10 and 130. So you get over here the 27th term is minus 121. I hope everybody understood. ये तीनों का तीनों sums are of the same style. You have to write the given series is in AP. You have to find out the first term, that is A, the common difference, and then you have to use your formula. Now बच्चा लोग check with your sum number 6 7 6 7 8 9 10. All your sums are very nice, basic है, concept समझो, करना क्या है, find out क्या करने का, then do the sum. Now check with your sum number 6. Find how many three digit natural numbers are divisible by 5. आपको बोलने का कितना ऐसा numbers है 3 digit numbers जो 5 से divisible है. You understood what I said? मतलब see if you start 99, नहीं, because 99 is a 2 digit number. So पहला digit होता है तुम्हारा 100, फिर 105, 110, 150, तो और last digit तुम्हारा क्या बनेगा? 1000 बनेगा? Because नहीं, 1000 नहीं बनेगा, because 1000 में 4 digit है. तो आपको बताना है कि 3 digit numbers ऐसा कितना है, ठीक है? That is 3 digit numbers ऐसा कितना है जो 5 से divisible होता है, ऐसा कितना digits है? Now we write over here, pay attention. We can see you have to find out the first digit and the last digit लिखने का. We can see over here the question के what they said, how many 3 digit natural numbers are divisible by 5. We can see over here that is 3 digit natural numbers, 3 digit natural numbers divisible by 5 are, now tell me what is your first number bacha? 100, then you say 105, then you say 110, and the last one you say 995. ये लिखने का, this is first very important. मतलब this is what you can find. तो बीच में कितना टर्म से हमको मालूम नहीं है. Now we say over that is since 100, you write this way 105, 110 up to 995 are in, what is that बच्चा? They will be पक्का AP में रहेगा because 5 का difference रहेगा. What do you get over here? That is since same A is equal to how much बच्चा? How much A is equal to? Speak. What is A is equal to? That is 100. What is D is equal to? You can take 105 minus 100 and that is equal to 5. Now बच्चा ये first term है, ये second term है, ये third term है, ये कितना term है? What is the number? I don't know. So that is your Tn. मतलब you don't know the value of n, so you can say that is since Tn is equal to क्या लिखने का? 995. बच्चा समझा ना, ये T1 है, ये T2 है, ये T3 है. I don't know what is the position of this number, so we say Tn. Now use your Tn का formula, that is A plus n minus 1 into D. What is Tn? We know 995. A we know that is 100. N we are supposed to find. D क्या चल रहा है बच्चा? 5. That is 995. This is over 100. Open this bracket, this is 5n minus 5. This is 995, this is 100 minus 5, that is 95 plus 5n. This comes on my side, so 995 minus 95 is equal to 5n. And n is equal to, what do you get bacha? N is equal to, 5n is equal to 900. And n is equal to 900 upon 5. That is 5 ones are 5, remainder is 4, 5 eights are, and what do you get over here? That is 180. Therefore, you can write over the numbers, or you can write a 3-digit number. The 3-digit numbers divisible by 5 are, कितना numbers होता है बच्चा? 180 numbers होता है. मतलब बच्चा लोग there are totally, यहाँ पे ये 100 से लेके बच्चा 995 तक ऐसा टोटली 180 नंबर्स है जो आपके 5 का टेबल में जाता है. ठीक है, सो दिस इज योर सम नंबर. दिस वाज योर सम नंबर. कौन सा बच्चा लोग? दैट इज 6. ओके, नाउ चलो चेक बच्चा लोग एवरीबॉडी विद योर सम नंबर 7. नाउ चेक सम नंबर 7 में कैसा दिया है? चेक ऑन द स्क्रीन. The 11th term and the 21st term is 16 and 29. मतलब एक सीक्वेंस दिया है, उसका 11th term है ना, 11th term 16 है और उसका 21st term कितना बचा? 29 है. आपको बोलेगा व्हाट इज द 41st term. यू अंडरस्टूड? दो ही टर्म दिया है, फर्स्ट सेकंड टर्म्स नहीं दिया. डायरेक्ट 11th term दिया, 21st term दिया, आपको 41st term निकालने का है. Now check everybody, how will you do this one? This is your sum number 7. So we say that since the 11th term, what is the 11th term बच्चा लोग? That is the 11th term is 16. So you say this way, that is T11 is equal to 16. Use your formula, that is since, what do you get over here बच्चा लोग? Tn का formula क्या है? That is Tn is equal to, यहाँ पे formula लिखते हैं, that is a plus n minus 1 into d. तो use over here, so therefore this is T11 है ना बच्चा लोग? What do you get over here? This is T11 is equal to a plus, this is 11 minus 1 into d. T11 we know this is 16 is equal to a plus 10d. Right, very nicely. Therefore, this is a plus 10d is equal to 16, and this is your equation number 1. Now check everybody the next part. क्या दिया है बच्चा? That is given the 21st term is how much बच्चा? 29. So they said that is since the 21st term, pay attention, is equal to 29. Use again your formula, that is यहाँ पे लिखो पहला, this is 29. Use your formula, that is Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into, what do you get over here? That is d. So this is your 21. A is your a plus n क्या चल रहा है बच्चा? 21 minus 1 into d. How much is T21? It is over there, that is 29 is equal to a plus 20d, or we can write over, therefore this is a plus 20d is equal to 29, and this is your equation number 2. Now bachcha log, you got equation number 1, you got equation number 2. So this is, you got equation number 1, this is your equation number 2. Now what we do over here, बचपन में किया वैसा, this is a, this is a, so we say this one will be subtracting, that is you say this is your equation number, you can say 1 from 2 or 2 from 1, all will, it will be okay, that is 2 from 1. तो पहला 1 लिखते हैं, that is a plus 10d is equal to 16. This is a plus 20d is equal to 29. I hope everybody knows this. This is what you get, a and a is cancelled. This is your minus 10d. How much you get bachcha? That is 16. And then you get, this is minus 13. Or you can write that is d is equal to how much? You can say this is 13 upon 10. Do it as, keep it, because आपको 41st term बोला, don't go with fraction, keep it as it is. You say over this is substituting d is equal to 13 upon 10. In whichever equation you find easy, you can go with this. I find equation number 1 to be easy. So you say that since a plus 10d is equal to 16, this is a plus 10 into 13 upon 10 is equal to 16. 10 10 cancel. A is equal to 16 minus 13. A is equal to क्या आ गया बच्चा? 3. Now we'll go with your 41st term, that is t. We'll go with your 41st term, that is t41. ठीक है, we'll go with your 41st term, that is T41 with your formula a plus n minus 1 into d. What is a? It's over here 3 plus n क्या चल रहा है बच्चा 41 minus 1. What is d? That is your 13 upon 10. Simple. 3 plus what you get over here 40 into 13 upon 10. 0 and 0 is cancelled. 3 plus this is 42, and what you get over here, that is this is 52, and what you get over here is this is your 55. मतलब बच्चे लोग अगर आपको कोई पूछेगा what is your 41st term, that is 55. Now listen everybody what I am saying you, ये basics है समझो. Very first thing, आप लोग whenever you are doing a sum, आपका n है ना, n कभी नेगेटिव नहीं आएगा, कभी फ्रैक्शन नहीं आएगा, because those are your counting numbers. Second thing, ये जो टर्म है this is 16, this is 29, मतलब ये 11 टर्म 16 है, 21st टर्म 29 है, मतलब आप नेचुरल नंबर्स को ऐड करोगे तो आंसर भी आपका नेचुरली आता है, इसीलिए गॉट 55. अगर यहाँ पे फ्रैक्शन में आता है तो you should understand something you are doing wrong. Okay, so this was your sum number 7. Now chalo check with your sum number 8. Now if we check with your sum number 8, what they given a sequence, they were 11, 8, 5, 2. ऐसा आगे आगे जाएगा तो आपको बोलना है which term is minus 151. समझ रहे मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ? Now see if you see a sum number 8. Sum number 8 में the first term is 11. Then the next term is 8. Next term is 5. Next term is 2. ऐसा end तक जाएगा. तो this is first term, second, third, fourth, कम हो रहा है, तो you have to tell me which term is minus 151. So you write over this way, that is since you say this is 11, 8, 5, 2, are in, what is that bacha? This is in AP. Where you say this is A is equal to 11, and you can say T is equal to, you can go with this 2 minus 5, and keep in mind that is equal to minus 3. You are having this is Tn is equal to minus 151. मतलब we have to find out this n. Use your formula बच्चों, that is since Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. That is your formula. Again I repeat, that is Tn is equal to, what do you get your formula? That is a plus n minus 1 into d. Now what is Tn? This is over minus 151. A, this is over 11, and you are supposed to find D क्या है? Minus 3. Keep in mind, कभी mistake से 3 लिख देते हैं. This is minus 151, this is 11 ये बच्चा. This is minus 3n plus 3. This is minus 151, 11 plus 3 is how much बच्चा? That is 14 minus 3n. ये मेरे साइड में आ गया तो 3n is equal to बच्चा क्या हो गया? 14 plus 151. So you get this is 3n is equal to कितना? If you add, how much you get over here? This is 5, 6, and this is 165. We'll do it over here, and therefore 3n is equal to 165 ना बच्चा, तो ये 3 इधर जाएगा. So upon 3, and therefore you get, that is 3 कितना सा? 5 सा, and 3 how much again? 5 सा. So n is equal to 55. मतलब ये जो सीक्वेंस है ना 1, 2, 3, 4, ये जो सीक्वेंस है उसमें 4 टर्म्स है, मतलब कम करते जाओ, कम करते जाओ, कम करते जाओ, तो 55th जो टर्म है उधर you will get, what is that बच्चे? You will get minus 151. So this is how you have to do your sum number 8. Now check with your sum number 9. Now this is very nice. Pay attention with your sum number 9. Now check with your sum number 9. The sum number 9 is very important. मैं आपको एक पार्ट बताता हूँ. Pay attention with sum number 9. स्क्रीन पे देखो. In the natural numbers from 10 to 250, how many numbers are divisible by 4? मतलब बोला 10 से लेके 250 तक कितना ऐसा numbers है which are divisible by 4. Now pay attention. What is in the textbook? In the natural numbers from 10 to 250, एक होता है from 10 to 250 और एक होता है between 10 to 250. When you say from 10 to 250, मतलब you have to consider 10 also and you have to consider 250 also. अगर वो 4 का टेबल में जा रहा है तो between बोलेगा तो आपको फर्स्ट और लास्ट नंबर नहीं लेना है. तो यहाँ पे from है तो in the natural numbers from 10 to 250 which are divisible by what is that बच्चा 4. So we can say what the numbers from 10 to 250 divisible by what is that बच्चा 4 are. So what are the numbers? पहले numbers क्या रहेगा बच्चा? This is 12. फिर 4 4 बनेगा 16. This is 20. Don't do over here. And what will be our last number बच्चा लोग चेक करो. ये 4 का टेबल में जाता है क्या बच्चा? नहीं जाएगा ना, तो या जाता है या नहीं जाता है? नहीं जाएगा बच्चा. This is 248. This is your last number. Now चलो everybody we say over that is since यहाँ पे लिखो that is 12, 16, 20 up to 248 are in. You have to write this. This is in AP. Very good over here. A is equal to 12. D is equal to 16 minus 12 and that is equal to 4. This time we don't know क्या number है, तो we say Tn is equal to 248. Now use your formula over here, that is since Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Tn, this is 248, A is 12 plus n we are supposed to find, this is 4. This is 248, open your brackets bacha, 4n minus 4. Just now we did same type of sum. 12 minus 4 that is 8 plus 4n. Putting it over here, this is 248 minus 8 is equal to 4n. We get over here 4n is equal to 240 and finished bacha. So n is equal to kitna bacha? 60. So how many numbers are there bacha? There are totally 60 numbers. So we can say there are, so we can write over here, so is there are 60 numbers. There are 60 numbers from 10 to what you can say bacha 250, that is divisible by what is that bacha? 4. Now check with your last sum bacha log. Last is again very easy. If you check if in an AP the 17th term is 7 more than क्या बोला बच्चा? It's 10 term. Find the common difference. Now pay attention everybody with your last sum of this exercise, that is sum number 10. क्या बोला है? In an AP the 17th term, so you say this is 17th term मतलब T17 is क्या बोला है? That is 17th term is how much more बच्चा? 7 more, that is you write that is plus 7. This is 17 ये. That is the 17th term is बोलेगा तो equal to how much more? 7 more. Then it's क्या बोला है बच्चा? 10th term. Find the common difference. So this is given. ये इंग्लिश में लिखा है वापस बोलो. The 17th term is 7 more than 10 times it's 10th term. So we say Tn का formula, that is everybody can say that is A plus this is n minus 1 into D. Over here also you get a formula the same. This is A plus n minus 1 into D plus 7. Open your brackets over. This is A plus 17 minus 1 is 16D. This is again A plus this is 9D minus 7. This A and this A is cancelled. Finished bacha. 16D that comes on my side minus what you get over here, that is 9D is equal to 7. How much this is? This is 7D is equal to 7 and therefore D is equal to 1. So this was important. So this is how you have to do bacha. You got your answer. So this was your exercise 3.2. So we finished with exercise 3.2. 3.2 में बचा totally क्या था? That is Tn वाला formula. Again I repeat, Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Next video we will be starting with the exercise 3.3. 3.3 में आपको कौन सा formula आएगा? That is Sn. Sn बोलेगा तो sum of n terms. So we finish with this video over here. We finish with the exercise 3.2. Hope everybody understood. So till then, bye bye, tata, take care.